Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm here to share with you our top date night looks collection. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, Classic, Mid-Weight, Textured Faux Leather Motorcycle Jacket, by Levi's. Number 2, Vintage, Faux Leather, Classic Asymmetrical Motorcycle Jacket, another great product by Levi's. Number 3. Choose your date night look, just click below for more. Number 4, Faux Leather, Contemporary, Asymmetrical Motorcycle Jacket. Signature red Levi's tab at side seam.